Welcome, fellow Clashers, and thank you for tuning in to Clash of Clans Attacks, where today we have another sneak peek. It is a new dark spell called Poison. Now, in yesterday's video, many of you were very observant and noticed a new and unusual structure lurking at the bottom of the screen right there. Yes, that indeed is a new dark spell factory. And that would explain the two tabs in the new army training screen. You've got a tab for regular spell factory and a tab for your dark spell factory. Now, the level 1 dark spell factory will become available at Town Hall 8, but that's not all that is changing. Spells will now take up a varying amount of housing space. A dark spell will take up a housing space of 1, whereas a regular elixir spell will take up a housing space of 2. So as you can see at Town Hall 10, you will have a total storage capacity of 11 spaces. Now that's not much different than what you had before. You could bring 5 regular spells before. Now you can still bring 5 regular spells and 1 dark spell, because the 5 regular spells will take up 2 spaces each and take up a total of 10 spaces. The dark spell taking up 1 space is the 11th. So in this hypothetical spell combination, you could bring 3 lightning, that would take up 6 spaces, 1 rage takes up 2 spaces, 1 freeze takes up 2 spaces, and the poison takes up that 1 space for a total of 11 housing space. Now, of course, we could choose to bring more dark spells. We want to bring 3 poison spells. They take up 3 space, leaving us 8 spaces for the other spells, the regular spells. So in this case, we bring 2 rage and 2 freeze, and that gives us our total of 11 spaces for those 7 spells. So now let's go take a look at the army overview screen. Yes, another new addition. Just like in Clan War, now you will be able to look over and see if all of your troops, your clan castle troops, your spells, and your heroes are ready, all on one screen. And again, we see the capacity right now. You've got 9 of 11 slots filled, 7 filled by 7 poison spells, and 2 slots filled by that 1 lightning spell. So we are going to go ahead and go in and train up 1 more lightning spell to fill those last 2 slots so that we will be completely full. And check it out, yes, you can now queue spells. You guys asked for it, there it is. We can now queue spells along with troops. So now we've got all 11 slots filled, 7 poison spells, 2 lightning spells for the remaining 4 slots. And let's go out and watch those poison spells in action. Now, a couple of things as we get started. You cannot poison your own troops, and yes, poison spells do stack. And here comes the first one. Look at that vial drop on the screen. That is an evil poison spell. You can just hear it going to work on the level 10 Archer Queen as it sits there. Obviously, it's going to have a duration. I don't know exactly how many hit points of damage it's going to do, but it is burning the heck out of that level 10 Queen right now. And yes, like I said, they stack. Now, this, of course, would be total overkill against a typical set of clan castle troops, but as you can see, it definitely provides for a lot of different strategies that we will be able to try out. So as these poison spells finish off that level 10 Archer Queen, we are going to move on to some other hypothetical situations just so that we can see the poison spells in action. Now here, we're going to lure out the clan castle troops. We've placed that clan castle on the outside. We brought 11 poison spells, and you can see a bunch of barbarians and a dragon. Yes, poison spells work against air troops. Now we will go ahead and drop a P.E.K.K.A of our own here, and then a poison spell, and watch those barbarians. They are gone in a heartbeat. Now the P.E.K.K.A does not sustain damage from the poison spell, but the dragon does. That's right, so again, poison spells work on ground and air troops, and we can see the duration of a level 4 maximum level poison spell there, and so we're going to go ahead and drop another one. And we will speed up the remainder of this attack, and you'll notice that it's going to take eventually 5 poison spells to get rid of this dragon. So obviously, higher hit point units are not going to be as severely affected, but eventually the dragon does go down. Now we are just going to go over here to the right hand side to this outer camp and show how the poison spell does not cause damage to friendly units. We drop a wizard, we drop a poison spell, and right away we notice the wizard does not sustain any damage from that spell. So you're welcome to build your own theory about that. Is it little tiny gas masks? Is it special training? Have they built immunity to it by being exposed to it over time? I don't know, but the important part is they are not damaged by our own poison spells. Alright, so let's move on to one more test situation. We've got that outer clan castle once again. We've got 11 poison spells, and out come the clan castle troops, but this time there are a couple of minions in the clan castle. There they go, lured out by our barbarians. We bring them out to the side here, and now we will drop a poison spell right smack in the middle of all those clan castle troops, and just like the barbarians, those minions are out of the picture almost instantaneously. So definitely a brand new wrinkle to the whole idea of clan castle lures and clan castle kills. I can hear you guys developing those theories already. But we have a few more spells left, and we've got a couple of heroes up here. So let's drop a poison spell on each the Archer Queen and the Barbarian King. Now, of course, they're only level 1, but you can see the damage being done over time to both of them as we have dropped those poison spells. And of course, you could bring, as a Town Hall 10, 11 poison spells. Just once again, remember the old spells are regular elixir spells, take up 2 spaces. Dark elixir spells take up 1 space, and so we can bring any combination of those spells to battle in the future after this update. I am so excited for this, you guys. These sneak peeks just get better and better. I cannot wait for this update to come up. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments. Leave your questions down there as well. I will do my best to answer as many as I possibly can. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, favorite, check out my other videos. And yes, I will see you guys again tomorrow with more full attacks. Calidon, poison on the gem box. No, Peter, poison does not work on gem boxes.
Oh, bother.